Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play GTA 5 with controller on PC Epic Games. Alright, let's begin. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Now go to the Controller tab. Here, make sure you enable all controller options. Turn on support for Xbox, PlayStation, and generic controllers so any controller you use works properly. Next, you need to add Epic Games Launcher to your Steam library. Go to your library, click Games at the top, then select Add a non-Steam game to my library. From the list, find Epic Games Launcher, select it, and click Add Selected Programs. Now return to your Steam library and launch Epic Games. From there, open GTA 5. Make sure your controller is connected before starting the game. When the game loads, your controller should work automatically, allowing you to play normally on Epic Games using Steam controller support. So that's basically how you can play GTA 5 with controller on PC Epic Games. That's it for this video. Thanks.